Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are the few important questions that can be asked to you regarding the growth of the heart. During post CPR assessment, the doctor notes injury to the inferior surface of the heart, which heart chamber mainly forms this surface. On which anatomical structure does it rest? It on which heart chamber is most likely affected? Obviously, left ventricle. And which anatomical structure does it rest? It rests on the diaphragm. A patient with sharp chest pain worsened by the deep inspiration is diagnosed with pericarditis. Name the layers covering the heart from inside to outside. Which layer is inflamed in pericarditis? Layers from inner to outer are endocardium, myocardium, epicardium, parietal layer of serous pericardium, fibrous pericardium. Which layer is inflamed? Parietal and visual layer of serous pericardium are inflamed in the pericarditis. Question number 3 is arterial supply. Regarding the arterial supply of the heart, during coronary angiography, occlusion of an artery supplying the posterior interventricular septum is seen. Which artery is most likely blocked? Posterior interventricular artery is blocked, PDA. From which major artery does it usually arise? It usually arises from the right coronary artery, right dominant circulation, and in left dominant heart from the circumflex artery. Patient has ischemia of the anterior wall of the left ventricle. Name the occluded artery. Left anterior descending artery, LAD. Mention one branch of its artery. Diagonal artery, septal perforatus. You can also learn more branches of this artery. A man experiences chest discomfort during the exercise relieved by the rest. Angina pain is referred to the left arm and jaw. Which fibers carry the pain sensation? Sympathetic visual efferent fibers, that is T1 to T5. Parasympathetic innervation of the heart is by which nerve? Vagus nerve. A surgeon during a neck procedure accidentally injures a large venous vessel that drains into the right atrium and lies in the superior mediastinum. Name the vessel. Superior vena cava, and it is formed by the right and left brachiocephalic vein. A stab injury to the right posterior thoracic wall results in bleeding from a vein that arches over the right lung root before entering the superior vena cava. Identify the injured vein, that is azygous vein. What is the main function? It drains the posterior thoracic wall, right to intercostal veins into superior vena cava, provides collateral venous pathway if inferior vena cava is blocked. A tumor compresses a vein ascending on the left side of the vertebral column, ending by crossing to join the azygous vein. Name this vein. It is the hemiazygous vein. Which intercostal vein does it receive? It drains lower left posterior intercostal vein. A patient with dilated right atrium shows engorgement of the largest venous channel in the heart's posterior coronary sulcus. What is the venous structure? This is the coronary sinus. Which vein mainly drains into it? Great cardiac vein. A 50-year-old man with severe chest pain radiating to the left shoulder presents 2 week after the CABG surgery. Pain improves on sitting forward. Fever and pericardial friction rub are present. Which anatomical structure is most likely involved? Pericardium. What are the layers? Fibrous pericardium, serous pericardium, parietal and visceral layer. Neurovascular supply of the pericardium is the phrenic nerve C3 to C5. Vein refer to the shoulder. Arterial supply by the pericardiophrenic artery, branch of the internal thoracic artery, bronchial and esophageal branches. Venous by the pericardiophrenic vein. Lymphatic by the paratracheal and mediastinal lymph nodes. Here is a quick revision of the growth of the heart. Heart lies in the medial mediastinum. Clinical importance: pericarditis, cardiac tamponade, right coronary artery in the right dominant supply, left anterior descending artery, and lies in the anterior IV groove. Superior vena cava in the superior mediastinum. Azygous from the right of the vertebrae is present on the right side of the vertebrae, and hemizygous is present on the left of the vertebrae. And you can see the clinical importance. Thank you.